Hello guys, so today we are going to be talking about how to restore your curly wig. The product we'll be using is Tresemme conditioner and shampoo. As you can see from the video, the first thing you have to do is fill up a bowl. You don't necessarily have to fill it up, just pour in it conditioner. Make sure that the hair you want to wash has been brushed. You brush it thoroughly to make sure that it's been detangled, and then you place it inside the water. Wash thoroughly. And depending on how dirty it is, you can decide to repeat the process if the wig is very dirty. But if it's not that dirty, one process is fine. So once you are done with that, you fill in the another water and then add in the moisture rich conditioner by Tresemme again. And at this process, I would advise that you actually be generous with the conditioner, because conditioner is all you need to restore your wig, not shampoo. So you need to be generous, very generous with it. And then you go back again and put in the same wig that you have washed into it and just soak it there. You can soak it for 24 hours, for 5 hours, but actually left mine. I left this wig inside this water, inside the conditioner for 4 days. The longer it stays inside the conditioner, the better. Now you've already washed it out with normal water, without conditioner, just normal water, and you have to leave the wig and allow it to air dry. Do not dry it under the sun, just allow it to air dry inside your room. This is what it's looking like after it's already